Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can change your close friend story to everyone. But before that, please do make sure to like our video and subscribe our channel. And yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. For that, let's go ahead and first access our Instagram. Go to our profile section in the bottom right, tap on 3 horizontal line on top, go ahead, search close friends. And now let's go ahead. You can see we do not have any right now, so let's go ahead, add a user, tap on done, go back to our profile home section, tap on plus icon, add a story for your close friend. You can see close friends, and there is no other method that other people will be able to check this out. So what you have to do is tap on 3 dot, tap on save. We're gonna cross this out, tap on plus icon, you can add the story, and tap on this share option, and story will be shared for everyone. Now you will have to simply go back and simply remove the close friend story by tapping on this delete story. So that is the way for you to do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.